In the middle of a big forest, lived two friends named Ravi and Mani. They both studied at the same school and were the same age. Ravi always kept his grandmother's words, Azagu aladhanai sale, in his mind. That is, he was careful not to commit vile, harmful acts that bring disgrace to others. But Mani was different. Just to make others laugh, and sometimes to show that he was superior, he would commit vile and ridicule-worthy acts. Once, he mixed dirt in a water bottle at school. Another time, he tore pages out of important books so that others wouldn't be able to study what he had learned. Also, it was his habit to speak to people he liked, and then speak ill of them as soon as they left. One day, a science exhibition was held at the school. Ravi built a beautiful, working model of a solar power system. He had done it very patiently, attracting everyone's attention. Mani did not focus on his own work. However, seeing Ravi's model succeeding, he became jealous. While Ravi was explaining his model to the judges, Mani, when no one was looking, wrote some indecent words on the papers pasted on Ravi's model. When the judges came to see the model, they frowned upon seeing the vulgar phrases. The chief scolded Ravi, saying, Ravi, why are there such vile, indecent writings on this beautifully crafted model? Do not do disgraceful things. This is not right for you, who brought this model. Ravi was very saddened. I did not do it, chief. Someone must have done this because my model caught everyone's eye, he told the truth. Later, during the investigation, the pen used to write the indecent words was found in Mani's bag. Mani hung his head in shame. The Azagu aladhanai, disgraceful act he committed for laughs and out of jealousy brought a bad name to his friend and his excellent work. The chief advised Mani, do not do disgraceful things. Is not just about talking. You must not do anything against your conscience. Destroying others' hard work and ridiculing others are all disgraceful acts. Ravi, through his good conduct, and Mani, through his vile act, earned their respective places in the hearts of the people. Moral of the story: do not commit acts that are considered disgraceful in the eyes of everyone. Only do good deeds that bring a good reputation to yourself and others.